Hey, what's up, guys? This is Watch Rob over here. Not feeling real great this week. I think I got sick, so I'm not doing a full video today. But I thought I'd leave you guys with a follow-up video of the Datejust review until I get more videos up next week. So in the meantime, I'm going to leave you with some pictures from my nature hike last weekend that I took with my watch and some great outdoor photos of the watch. And before I leave you guys, here is a wristwatch check for the watch that I am wearing today. Well, anyways, it's the ceramic sub. My webcam doesn't want to focus in, but like I said, I'm still new at this, still practicing, so we'll get better content here in the next few weeks.